ongoing na yung construction. Yan. So, yan, buhos tayo. So, concrete tayo. Okay? And what else, sir?
Actually yan, hindi tayo gumagamit dito ng hollow blocks. All buhos to. Tapos yung second floor natin is also a buhos.
Okay.
So, parang on this kind of development or on this kind of house, merong peace of mind ng ating kliyente.
Yes.
Ng kliyente, ang bahay na bibilhin nila is matibay because this is gawa ng Philinvest.
Exactly. Of course, we have a reputable developer, Philinvest. And right now, sa nakikita nyo, actually this is a corner lot.
Yes.
No? Ayan, if you've noticed, dun kasi sa model unit natin, it's just an 88 square meter.
Yes,
but for this one, a corner lot. But mga ilan, 100 plus na, 125.
Yes, for the corner lot, basically, ang corner lot natin is around 119 square meter.
119.
Yes.
So, but depending on the specific block and lot.
Yes.
So, that's why feel free to comment down below, no? If you want to learn more about our specific inventory as of a real-time inventory, no, na sa system namin makikita. So, we're gonna check that one, okay?
Yes.
So, meron tayong mga corner lot, but, sir, for the corner lot, yun nga, the thing here is vatable na sila. But, the good news here, for the inner lots that we have, they are still non-VAT.
Yes.
Which is, later on, we will going to discuss the sample computation. Okay?